Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel espresso. Get ready to create a delightful coffee shop favorite right in your own kitchen. We will walk through each step, from gathering your ingredients to the final delicious pour. This guide makes it easy to enjoy a rich, sweet, and satisfying caramel espresso anytime you desire. You will be surprised how simple it is to achieve a professional taste. To begin, gather your key ingredients for this delightful drink. You will need 2 shots of strong, freshly brewed espresso, which forms the base. Next, prepare 1 to 2 tablespoons of your favorite caramel sauce. This adds the signature sweetness. Finally, have about 6 ounces of your preferred milk, such as whole milk or oat milk, ready for steaming. Optional garnishes like whipped cream and extra caramel drizzle elevate the experience. First, brew 2 shots of your favorite espresso directly into your serving mug. The heat from the fresh espresso will help melt the caramel. Immediately add 1 to 2 tablespoons of rich caramel sauce into the hot espresso. Stir this mixture thoroughly until the caramel is completely dissolved and well incorporated. This ensures every sip has that perfect balance of coffee and sweet caramel flavor. Now, steam about 6 ounces of your chosen milk until it is hot and frothy, aiming for a creamy texture with a thin layer of microfoam. Once steamed, gently pour the warm milk over the caramel-infused espresso in your mug. For an extra special touch, top your caramel espresso with a generous dollop of whipped cream and a beautiful drizzle of additional caramel sauce. Enjoy your perfectly crafted, homemade caramel espresso.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.